Have you ever felt the pull of the unknown? That whisper of adventure calling you to leave everything behind? I did. No experience, no safety net, just a dream, bigger than myself. So I took the leap. I left the ordinary behind and stepped into a life at sea, a world of endless horizons, high risks and raw freedom. One boat, one mission, to live a life unshackled, to explore the world and to prove that anyone can rewrite their own story. This is my journey, and you're coming with me.
Today marks the day of the passage to Madeira.
It's just scary. Are you not scared? Like right now you see coast, very soon you won't see anything. You're gonna be alone, like if something happens, like there is no one.
This is day 1.
The day began in a dead calm, no wind, no motion.
So the journey has started. I'm here with Oskar, and we are doing 2 knots speed over ground. It's looking like it's gonna be a long ride at these speeds, but the wind is supposed to pick up from Saturday. Tomorrow we saw that there is gonna be 4 to 5 meter waves, but there won't be a lot of wind, so we hope it's fun and interesting and not dangerous, like I saw some people say. Hey Nozy!
We waited, hoping for a sign. We pulled out the spinnaker, sizing it up for the journey ahead. Below us, fish drifted through the stillness.
I think it was good that we stopped.
Here.
Yeah, that we didn't try to sail through no wind.
We tried our luck, cast the lines, lost the bait, and somehow managed to get our chain tangled in whatever fishing contraption this was. It was only the beginning. The ocean had plans of its own.
Let's go find us some 5 meter waves. We have great conditions right now. We are sailing with almost all the sails out. We have around 12 knots of wind. We were trying to tack because we couldn't hold our course very well, and we are still passing Sagres. And the moment we started tacking, the wind picked up, and I didn't realize it, but apparently all the single ladies was playing. And Oskar was like, please don't let me die to the all the single ladies song.
Only not to the song, please.
Great. Been 2 hours in of our day 1 passage to Madeira. Ocean state is rough but manageable.
So we came from all the way here, and we've been coming with the wind up because the winds are gonna shift, and then we go down. We definitely see 5 meter waves, but yeah, they are 15 seconds apart, so that's totally fine. We haven't really been struggling so much. Neither of us is too seasick. Nozy's doing fine. He already vomited because I gave him candy, and I shouldn't have, because he also gets car sick when we drive.
Turning. Let go. Let go, let go, let go.
It's around midnight at the moment. We just saw dolphins surrounding our boat. We have all our sails up. We have around 10 knots at the moment, and we are doing 4.5 knots. It's been a very pleasant night sail somehow. Visibility is clear, there is not too much movement and traffic in the channel that we are passing through. Not channel, but the traffic area that we are passing through, which is just south of the Cape, because obviously all the ships are going up and down. The dolphins were so nice, making so many nice noises. I hope tomorrow we will see them again.